Welcome to HTML the Easy Way, where we hope to provide easy ways to solve your web authoring problems. This video shows how to use HTML and JavaScript to save files from the browser to the client hard drive. In order to benefit from this video, you do need to have a working knowledge of both HTML and JavaScript. We divide this video into two sections. The first section is about downloading text data, with the second section downloading image data. Before illustrating our download procedure, I want to have a quick walkthrough of the code we'll be starting with. The main features of this HTML file are this header, which displays a title, this text area where we have a quote that we're going to edit and then save to the hard disk, a button that activates the download procedure, and some JavaScript down here that we're going to modify, implementing our procedure. So let's implement our download function. First, we want to get an object reference to the quote text area. Then we're going to create a blob. I have some things to say about blobs at the end. Now, our basic technique here is to create an anchor element internally and then simulate a click on it. So we create the anchor element. Now we're going to set up the href for the anchor element. Now download, by setting the download attribute, we're telling the anchor element what we want to do when we click on it. And so we do simulate the click. This actually triggers the download. Now the download should be complete and we're cleaning up after ourselves, tidying up the URL because that is not garbage collected, and tidying up our anchor element that we had created. Let's go ahead and run our code. We're going to do that with live server. So here is our page, and we're going to download it. You see here it's downloaded. And now we're going to look at it, and you can see we've correctly downloaded it. Now we want to change this. So let's add an attribution to the quote. I'm going to paste that in from another document. Doesn't fit here super well, but it's all right. Okay, so hit download again and see that our updated text has been downloaded. Saving an image is more straightforward than saving text data, because we already have a URL and don't have to create one with a blob, because our URL is our source in our image element. So we're going to use that to set href, and then we're going to set download to what amounts to the base name of that URL. In other words, if it's some long path with myphoto.jpg at the end, this code will reduce it down to myphoto.jpg. So then we click it to download it, and then only need to remove the anchor element. No need to clean up a URL since we didn't create one. So let's go ahead and run this. We'll download it, and there you have it. Successfully downloaded. I want to say a few words about blobs. A blob is a file-like object that you can create with a JavaScript new operator. Blobs are immutable, meaning that their data can't change after object creation. They can contain text, binary data, and also data in non-JavaScript native formats. You can find some excellent doc on the Mozilla MDN website. So if you are interested, please see the link in the description. Thanks very much for watching. If you found this video to be useful, please click like and subscribe. Thanks very much and have a great day.